thunderstorms and locally severe, and it is making a mess of the afternoon commute. This is 295 in Merrill. Look at this traffic backed up. A heavy rain here. We're seeing gusty winds, too. These are swift-moving storms, so first of all, that means conditions change quickly, but it also means these storms won't linger particularly long. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Camden and Nassau County until 6:15, so about another 15 minutes. We've had high wind reports from NAS Jax at 40+ miles per hour, and also in parts of Camden and Nassau County already for that potentially severe storm, the core of which is very near into the immediate west of St. Mary's. There's the wind report. Winds estimated at least 50 miles per hour as that storm moved east-northeast bound and will continue now toward the beaches, toward Fernandina Beach, northward to the coastal areas of Camden County, right down Interstate 95. This was a classic sea breeze development as cooler air from storms to the west met up with the sea breeze over the middle of Duval County, and now a really solid line of very heavy rain, likely some gusty winds in here as well. Suddenly could be damaging winds, and given all the rain of the last few days, it won't take as much wind in your storms to drop trees. Into Craig Airport now, Ponte Vedra at 6:09, Atlantic Beach at 6:11, Little Talbot Island at 6:16. That's the heavy rain, but realize the strong and gusty winds and even some of the lightning will get to your location a little bit earlier. Arlington, second day in a row, hit hard here from Heckscher Drive right down to Monument Road to Arlington Expressway. Very heavy rain. You can see the lightning strikes as they occur. The back edge now is at about downtown Jacksonville, so some improvement west of I-95 for the west side of Jacksonville and points west. But those intense storms extend through northern St. Johns County, cross the St. Johns River into eastern portions of Clay County. To Piccolata right now, Ponte Vedra, again, as I mentioned, around 6:08 to 09. Palm Valley at 6:12, St. Augustine Outlets at 6:20, and Casacola at 6:27, and then it would be 6:30 to 6:45 for St. Augustine. Here's where that severe storm is located. This is Fernandina Beach Skycam Network looking west-northwest, and this is that severe storm straddling the Florida-Georgia border, and why we have the severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Nassau and Camden County. This is our tower cam from downtown looking to the west. Still some rain here, but you're seeing a brightening of the skies. And again, later this evening, it's not all that bad as we see conditions quickly clear out. But flooding, damaging winds, and frequent lightning are all threats with this line of storms until it moves offshore. Meanwhile, Hurricane Danny, that's right, Hurricane, upgraded, I should say, this morning. And the updated numbers and forecast track haven't changed a lot. You can see a little eye in there a little earlier today. Movement is to the west-northwest. Should be in the northeastern or nearing the northeastern Caribbean in about 5 days or so. I'll show you that track and an update on the local storms in the First Alert forecast in 15 minutes.
And remember, you can track the storms down to your neighborhood with the First Alert weather app. Just visit the App Store and search for Action News Jax.